Importing data from Excel file and importing into CRM entity called student. So here you can see I have taken the Excel file with the 4 columns. You can take any headers, it's not a problem. I'm taking 4 records here, and I'm uploading into the CRM the entity name called table name called student. This is my destination student entity. I have taken same columns age and class or section, gender and name. You can see I have same columns in the header I have taken, but you can take any columns. For easy, at the time of mapping for easy recognition, I have taken the same names. That's it. Let's go to the data flow. So here, go to make.com, dataverse and data flows. Click on new data flow. Here you can give the name of the flow, data flow. Click on create Excel workbook. Here you have link to file. By using link to file, you can get the file from SharePoint or OneDrive. If you want to get local, go to upload file, browse and student. It will uploading the files. You can see here done. So now we need to give a connection. So you can create the new connection or you can use the existing connection. I'm already created, so that's why it's showing me. If you want to go for new connection, just click on new connection, and after that you need to select the organization account and click on sign in. Okay, so I'm signing into my account, my connection. Now the connection was established. You can see here it was showing like signed in. So just click on next. Now it will show the data flows. You can see this is my student table. And here you are checking one more thing here. Here this gender is a option set in our CRM. Now I am trying with the values. Next time I will try with the labels. Let's see, is it working for both the labels and values or any issues? Okay. Now I have taken option set values. Click on transform data. You can see it was generating some upgrade steps here. What are the steps it would upload on our Excel file? This is the one. Here is the source and it's the navigation. You can see it was having some column 1, column 2. Later we have row 1, row 2, row 3. Here it was taking promoted headers. It was taking first row as header. Next change it columns. It was checking any issues with the rows. Nothing, everything is fine. And this is the query generator for each step. So click on next. Here it will ask for mapping. So I'm using, you can, if you select the load to new table means what are the table name you are given or what it was taken. It was create a new table in our CRM and it will map the rows to records to that table. If you select the load to existing table, you need to select, I am going with the existing table. That's why I'm selecting the load to existing table. I am selecting the student table. And here you can see we need to map the Excel columns with the CRM columns. So I'm mapping age to age and gender to gender, name to name, and class to class or section. Now I mapped up my all the 4 fields and click on the next. You have here we can see 2 triggers. One is manual, one more is automatical. If you select the automatical, we need to give some options. Based on that, it will trigger automatically. Now I'm going with the refresh manually, so select it and go to publish now or later. I'm going with publish now. You can see here it was going to be published in progress. Once it published and once it was refreshed, our records will be created. For each refresh, the records will be created from the Excel file. Let's see now the data flow was published and it was in the refresh. So refresh means records will be going to be created in our CRM. This is my student entity. You can see here. And currently we don't have any records. And still it was in progress. And you can check the each whenever you have done some refresh, it will create one record here. You can see show refresh history. It will show the progress and it will show success status is success or failure everything here. Whenever you are running the data flow, just go here and check the status. Still, yeah, now you can see that next refresh is done. You can see here. So refresh history. Now it was succeed also. You can click on it. It will show status succeeded. 4 rows created. So go to advanced find. You can see 4 records is created. I will show you from my Excel side by side. You can see I have Naresh, Sharad, Shruti and Bhavita. Same Naresh, Sharad, Shruti and Bhavita. Same data is compared. So now I tried with values. Now I will try with labels. My gender of Jira means male for me. So I am changing to MM and F and F. Let's see. Is it taking the records absent set values as labels or not? I'm saving the file. Now the file was saved. So going back to data flow, edit it, and you can see still data was same. So you need to take again, reload it again, browse, selecting the file again. Now upload completed. You can see now data same coming from MMFF, same what we given on the table. So let's see, is it taking option set labels or not? Promoted and change columns. You can see here it was showing some gender as error. That means it was not taking values. Means option set labels it was not taking. So we need to change these values. So for that you need to select this column. And here you can see you have replaced values. So I will replace these values to from for M I will put the 0, 0, sorry, 0, 0. And for F I will replace with 1. Like this, whenever it was not accepting any values, not only absence set, it will show some errors in the file. You can replace with any values you want. Okay. Now instead of labels, I was change it to values in the data flow, not in the file. You can see still the values are same, but I modified in the inside the data flow. Okay. Now you can see here steps also we have every step it will create something. Now it was okay. Now click on next. Now everything is mapped already, so just click on publish. Let's check is it creating records or it was giving any error. Let's see it was still publishing. So now it's done. You can go to show refresh history and you can see it was succeeded and 4 was created. It means now the records count will be 8. See, but data was duplicated, right? So how to remove duplicate and we can how to avoid the duplicate creation. Okay. For that, let's see. Now I'm going to data flow, edit, and I'm having the same data. Just go to next, and you can see here delete rows. You just click on it and publish it. Let's see is it creating duplicates or not. And it will show here the step also in progress. You can see it was published and it was going to be in progress. Let's see is it creating any duplicates this time or not. You can see still it was in progress. Hi guys, you have seen here what happened. It was refreshed one night, it was showing as succeeded 4 was created, right? So, but you can go to the advanced find, you can see here what happened. It was showing before it was showing 8 records, but now it was showing only 4 records. If whenever you are refreshing, still it was showing only that 4 records, and it was remove the duplicates from the even from in the CRM also. So whenever you don't want any duplicates, just click on that button. It will remove duplicates. It will not create duplicates, and it will remove duplicates from your CRM also. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.